Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing sleep pots in your quick item slot and standing where enemies cannot interrupt. Once done, make sure you have space to step back. Aggro resets if you retreat far enough. Use a short cast while aiming toward the ground near foes, because the pot creates an area of effect sleep cloud. You throw to deploy, not to melee. Timing matters. Throw when the enemies stagger window or after a dodge, and be ready to reposition if multiple foes close. Once you've prepared, focus on aiming and timing to get reliable results. You should target choke points or narrow corridors so the sleep cloud contacts multiple enemies at once. This increases efficiency. Make sure to throw during enemy recovery frames or immediately after a stagger for the highest chance of effect. Also, leverage elevation. Drop the pot from above to let the cloud fall into groups. If a throw misses, reposition immediately. You finish the sequence by acting fast. When enemies fall asleep, close in for critical strikes, ripostes, or use high-damage spells to end fights quickly. If sleep pots seem ineffective, make sure the target isn't immune or has high resistance. Some bosses and enemies resist sleep entirely. Once done, swap tactics if needed. Use alternate consumables or interrupts against resistant foes. A quick troubleshooting tip. If throws land but there's no sleep, try a different angle or higher drop to ensure full cloud coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.